Well, the truck I'm driving today is my 1936 Ford half-ton pickup truck that I've rebuilt. It belonged to my father, and I ended up with it. I've changed quite a few things, repainted it and rebuilt it. I've had lots of nicer old cars, but this is definitely my favorite. So today I'm meeting up with David Casey, Reagan Clancy, and Kate Plummer, the three local musicians, songwriters, and we're going to discuss an event that they're planning, Sleepy Rooster Sessions. I'm Steve Wong, and this is Musicians in Trucks Getting Beers. So the Sleepy Rooster Sessions, whose idea was this?
I think it was Kate's idea.
Basically, got together and had coffee with these fine gentlemen, and we were just talking about the things that really inspire us in a live gig. And so one of the main things is just being in a creative space that inspires us as musos.
Seems like there was a place that we wanted to play that wasn't here yet.
A lot of times when you're in a gig, there's screens up around and there's poker machines going on in the background and people are just really distracted.
There's a lot of musicians in Helena whose material it's not made to cut through a loud listening environment. You know, it's better suited in a concert environment.
That's kind of the idea behind the Sleepy Rooster Sessions, is giving a space to highlight the craft of songwriting and for people to view it as an art unto itself.
Will this be mostly original compositions, or?
Yeah, I think we're looking for songwriters that are writing their own stuff primarily.
How many people can show up to something like this? Sleepy Rooster's a fairly big place.
Yeah,
Can
49.
49, that's a great
49
question,
people.
Steve.
How long will it last?
The doors are open at 6:30, so people can just get there, relax, have a beer, and just chat after work. And then the first performance on at 7, and it just goes through to about 9. And there'll be an intermission in there. Of course, you get your second beer.
Yeah, the idea was that you buy a ticket, you get 2 beers, and you get 2 sets of music. So sometimes it'll be the same artist twice. I think maybe sometimes it'll be 2 different artists.
We just flipped it. Instead of a night out for beer and you happen to get music, it's a night out for music and you happen to get beer.
Yeah, that's exactly right. Cool,
All right.
cheers. Thanks,
Cheers.
Steve.
Thanks, Steve.
Cheers. I think most musicians are sleepy roosters at heart.
Yeah.
Not quite awake until noon. Yeah.